Welcome to our tutorial on how to save a new contact to your Gmail account on your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open gmail.com on your web browser to access your Gmail account. From the top right corner, click on the 9 dots icon to open Google Apps. Then select Google Contacts from the list. Within Google Contacts, locate and click on Create Contact at the top left corner of the screen. You will then be presented with the option to create a contact or create multiple contacts. Choose the appropriate option based on your needs. Enter the contact's information into the provided fields, including name, email address, phone number, and any other relevant details. Once you have entered all the necessary information, click on Save to add the new contact to your Gmail account. By following these simple steps, you can easily save a new contact to your Gmail account, ensuring that you have all your important contacts organized and easily accessible. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to save a new contact to your Gmail account. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your Gmail experience.